Hi y'all, it's Kiana.
It's Diamond. Yes, of course, Michelle, Ivy.
And we're gonna do Ratchet Girl Anthem.
Hope y'all likes it.
Ooh. Likes it.
Shut up.
So let me come out the house looking like that.
Oh my gosh. Look at her. Look at them heels.
Try again, boo.
Her heels, bro.
Try again.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet?
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this heifer picture.
Cause she ratchet?
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See, you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Because you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Ooh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy in the can. Well, sister,
You lying.
Yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club.
That right.
Middle of the floor with no shoes.
Where's
the I get cute today. I bought a fish first one today. I keep looking good for my baby. That bitch boy. Hit up, kiss you today. Baby, need new shoes today. Trust what get two today. Got my checks yesterday. Hey girls, did you get the blue?
You know it.
Don't beat it up. Move.
Get out my way.
The 15, I got y'all fools. Brand new person. Brand new tech.
Right here.
$95 for the free plus tech.
Stop.
$5 on
No, really, just can't complain. Thinking that you better than I am, well, then you thinking wrong. This is why my number. Boy, bye.
Ooh, look at come, girl.
Be quiet. Hey, girl.
I'm gonna cut that all off.
Alright, OMG, bro. Okay, I'll see you later. Y'all see that?
Yeah. OMG, what does she have on?
She ratchet?
Her lace front is all wrong.
So she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this heifer picture.
Cause she ratchet?
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
So you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Because you ratchet?
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Ooh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake.
She ratchet.
My name is Ivy Davis, from my boyfriend from Hikari. The club is for me free 11, free daily party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you ain't had a good sorry. Cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Mari, got my jersey dress on. 13, that's my chest on. Pound, team, dark skin. We don't like them red bones. You really like it. You really like it. You hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm a team flip phone. Team Chris Brown. If you don't shut it up, then the team shut it down. I'm a team bad chick. Team with your man. If you got a lot of money, this team keep paying. But she's gonna be here. Hey, shut her ratchet. And she's ratchet. Where's that? Okay, she's too ratchet. Ratchet. Whoa. Right. What's wrong with her? Right. All that makeup. She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
I'm gonna take this heifer picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Ooh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
Oh my god, man.
Right.
Hope y'all.
Just look. Just show him. Just show him the picture.
Oh,
she's too ratchet.
She's too big for that.
Hold on, y'all gotta. Too ratchet, huh?
I'm scared.
Oh, I'm scared. Oh my god.
Hope y'all enjoyed it.
Her boob is out. Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
Deuces.
Peace.